guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to we're just going we just throw a party.
Hey, throw fucking party.
This is a 10 Freddy, but funny. Alright guys. You should have been invited to the party. Guys, by the way,
Guys, what we're gonna be doing here?
Destroy my house.
No. Alright, guys, I'm gonna be like taking care of her house, not working that much. Like I'll be the designer of her house.
No, in my house.
I'm gonna be taking care of her house like her maid. She's gonna be the one who's working, and she gets the recipes, so she's like queen.
Servant.
Yes.
Food. Oh, your guest. So yes, let's just go order. I love tea. I really need to go to work.
Wait, let me make you breakfast. It's making cold. What do you want for breakfast?
No, bacon, egg, and cheese. I'll be getting. So guys, what you want? Tea.
Tea, okay. See Christmas colors out there?
Well, she designed my house.
Yeah, it's Christmas. Sorry, you guys got to see
If it's not like Christmas, then it's still not has been Thanksgiving. We're getting ready for, but you can see Hawaii. I love Hawaii. They're just so
There you go.
Thank you.
Is laundry done today? Is that all that you wanted? I need to take a portion. Sorry,
Yeah, you can do it. So guys, this is going to be quick, but not long. You might do it too.
Is that all you needed?
Yeah, and I'm going to brush my teeth and get ready for work.
Well, have a great day.
Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna go take a nap before I have to clean everything, okay?
Oh yeah, okay. The cafe is going to be closed today, so.
Okay, I'll open it today, but
No.
not later.
Like when I come back. I want to get everything together.
Look, I just put the switch. I don't know nobody else is doing this.
I'm going to my ice cream job.
I
want to see how much the ice cream job gives me. Oh, bills I have to go pay.
Pay your bills.
You give me half.
I will, but you have to pay them first so I can do your laundry and everything.
You have to pay 111.
Okay, I will pay you when you get home.
I'm coming back. Why is there a quiet poster outside?
What?
Who cares? Like it's right here. Pay me 111.
Let's fix that.
111. So yeah, so that's I'm going to close that.
Alright, well guys, I'll be right back. So bye.
Alright, will you be right back? Yeah. She's just filming. She's just yeah, just have to do something. Now I'm going to my job. I'm going the quick way, so I'm going to get up. I love Ben's ice cream. Doesn't give me the doesn't give me that much money, but it's last time I did it, I got $1,000. So I'm on level 3, and I'd rather go to my pizza shop, but pizza shop, not pizza shop. But I really liked Ben's ice cream, so it's like you just have to click E. You don't have to like. I would like to have a vanilla strawberry drizzle. Vanilla and strawberry. No.
Blast off, everyone. I just went to I'm doing laundry right now. I need to spruce up your house a little bit.
Hey, you already did a lot of sprucing up.
I need to do more. I need to fix the bedroom.
No.
Do you still want to keep both beds?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes. I really want I really want a computer, but she's not letting me.
I'll get her a computer soon.
I'm the master.
Well, you better have to work a lot. Because if you want me to spruce up your house, I probably can't do that.
Wait.
But I'm going to make something magical. You know how the living room is in the house?
Mhm.
I think I'm going to move the living room downstairs.
I put my bedroom up there.
Make that her bedroom. And then this side of the house, the other side, I'm going to make my bedroom on the other side.
I would like a vanilla. Okay.
But I can't do that. She doesn't work. But I'm all done cleaning for the day. Everything's good. So let me see how much money she has, and I'll do that. $1,000.
I'm walking, okay?
I don't know if that's gonna be enough.
No, you're not going to get the computer right now.
Oh, you're not gonna get a computer right now. If you want the $5,000 computer, you're gonna have to work a lot.
This is really easy. My job here. I'm just trying to get my this job up a lot because I really like this job more than the pizza place. So gives me money. If I'm in a major money and I really need it, then I'm going to this job. That job.
I'm putting this poster in my room.
No kawaiis. I love kawaii.
More kawaii poster in my room.
I love kawaii. Like kawaii, so okay. With sprinkles. No way.
She needs a bigger house.
No, I don't. I'm trying to walk.
Yeah, and if you don't work anymore, then you have to do what you want. I have gotten an elevator before, but I don't know.
But guys, I hope.
Elevators are hard to play.
But guys, I hope you like this video.
I'll be right back.
Subscribe if you do, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.